Okay, we're here. First Morrone family video.
Yay!
Today we have a doorbell house surprise. Look, all the doorbells work. Push all the doorbells.
They all sound different.
Pretty cool. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I got 12 cards here.
Okay.
All right,
I
now
already counted them.
you see how these are numbered?
Yeah.
What numbers are on here?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, and in here, there's cards that match those. Now, we don't have a 1, so we're gonna use the ace. You know what the ace looks like? It's an A.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. So
Do
we're
you
gonna,
know?
Yeah.
What's the ace look
So
like?
who's
What letter?
gonna go first? Who's gonna go first?
we'll let the oldest go first. So you get to pick a card, any card. Now, if you don't get the right card, you have to flip it back over, and you got to remember which one it is, okay?
Okay, so of the three of us, who is the oldest? Me, you, and Grace. Who is the oldest? Oh, Sally. Yes.
Okay, so Mommy gets to go first. Let's see what she gets. The Jack. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, put it back over. Now it's Ava's turn. What'd you get? You got a Queen. Does that match any of the doors? Is that one of the numbers we're looking for? 1, 2, 3, 4? No. Okay, put it back.
Gracie's turn.
Gracie, your turn. What'd you get? The 10. Oh my gosh, we're 0 for 3.
Okay, flip it back over.
Mommy's
9. Nope, you gotta flip it back over. Ava's turn.
What'd you get?
Show.
King?
Yep.
You got a king. Let me see. A king. That doesn't match either. Oh my gosh.
Your turn.
Okay.
Over here.
What'd you get?
5.
5. So close.
So close, but no.
That's not it.
An ace. So what are we using the ace for again?
What number's the ace?
What number?
1.
Number 1.
One.
Okay, so Mommy gets to open the number 1 door.
Here, I'll give you the key,
Okay.
Mama.
Okay.
Here you
So are these keys all the same?
go. You know.
Which door lock do we have here?
So
That shape.
are we
So
supposed
which
to
key?
match?
Yeah. So this one matches this.
You think? All right, we'll try it.
You gotta push the doorbell first.
Oh,
Ding dong.
anybody home?
Who's there?
I'm in there. I'm in there. Okay.
M&M's.
I thought there
It's
was a
an
person in
M&M
there.
surprise.
Whoa! Try it. Make sure they're good.
Oh my goodness.
Yummy.
Are they good? Okay.
There.
That was door number 1. Okay, so now whose turn it is?
Ava's turn.
Ava's turn, okay.
A 4.
A 4, is that one of our doors?
Yes.
Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Let's see, what's the keyhole look like?
Oh wait.
It looks like a C.
Let me lock this back up so they don't go. Is this the right one? Yeah.
You're good.
Are they good?
All right. Well,
Grace, are they good?
there you go.
Uh-huh.
Which key are you gonna pick? That.
Is that the right key?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Look at it.
Uh-oh. It worked. What's inside? What'd you get?
Fruit snacks.
Fruit snacks?
Two.
A fruit snack surprise. Open them up.
Open them up and try them. Need help? Please. How many M&Ms do you have in your mouth?
I like to open it from back to your head.
Okay.
Maybe so I don't have to ask anybody to help me.
Okay. It's Gracie's turn next.
How are they?
I'm next.
Gracie, what'd you get? A king. Is that the right card? No. Okay, only one card. Only one,
Okay, we'll
Grace.
shut the door. Mommy's turn. A king.
A king again.
My turn.
No,
All right,
no.
Ava, it's your turn.
It's Ava's turn.
So far, we got the number 1 and the number 4.
Ooh,
An 8.
That's mine.
Okay,
Mommy.
Grace.
No.
Yes, Grace, you're right. You're right.
No.
No.
Yeah.
All
No.
right, it's Mommy's turn. What'd you get?
5.
5. Is that one of our numbers?
No.
Okay.
3.
A 3. Where's our 3 door?
What color is our 3-door, Grace?
Purple.
Yes. Okay.
All right, what's the right key that fits in
Which-
there?
Gracie, let's ask Grace. What do you think? Let's ask her. Gracie, which key matches?
That's mine.
This one? Okay.
Mom, can I try?
Wait.
It's mine.
Right now.
Here, I know which one.
This one. She's right. Okay. Ring the doorbell. What do you think's gonna be behind this door?
I don't know, but we'll have to see. Just have to see.
It's a doorbell surprise.
Whoa!
What is it?
What is it? What is it? What are they?
They're the washcloths.
Oh, that you put in water and they
Magic
expand.
washcloths. We need some water.
Oh, wow. Let's take this
Magic water showed up.
one. Magic water.
Grace, which is on yours?
Turtles.
Turtles. Oh my goodness.
There's one open. We might need scissors.
Oh, the knife. What's the right way to use a knife, Mom?
Always cut away from you.
That's a valuable lesson.
Oh, hold on.
Can I put it in the water?
Yes, you can.
Because it's actually mine.
Okay, Gracie, can I try yours?
Is it cool?
Okay, hold on.
Mom, it would just dissolve.
What's it doing? Is it expanding?
Not yet. No, it's not.
Okay, hold this for your turn. Let's see. Watch.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, Mom. Let it.
Let's put it a little bit more. Oh my goodness.
Why don't you put it in the water, Mom? Don't put it in the water. Leave it in the water.
Buster. Oh,
Goodbye, Buster.
let's see it.
So, where's this card? Let's show what it looks like. Open it up.
That's mine.
Oh my gosh. That is awesome. What a surprise inside of the doorbell house.
No,
Now,
that's mine.
okay, pick a card, Grace.
Wait, we gotta get the water. We gotta get the napkin open. Or the washcloth.
washcloth.
I don't know what I'm talking about. Grace, what's your washcloth look like?
Missy touching.
Who is it? Here, show Daddy. Open it up.
Okay.
Let me see. Wow. What's all those turtles' names?
Here, let's see. What color? So we got. What color?
Blue.
Leonardo.
Pink.
Purple, Donatello.
Mikey.
Yeah.
Michelangelo.
Who's that?
Michelangelo.
Ralphie. Raphael.
All right, wait. What number are we waiting for here?
We're waiting for
Number
one.
2.
There's still M&M's spilling out.
Okay.
Wow. My turn.
Ava's turn.
My turn.
No. Is there a 2 in here, Dad?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
I can't stop eating.
I know. Okay.
All right.
Gracie's turn.
Let's find the number 2.
Find it. Flip it over.
Oh,
Okay.
we got the number 2.
That's it.
Let's see what the keyhole looks like.
Ring the doorbell, Grace.
It's an L.
Me?
Ring the doorbell.
No, I do.
Good job.
Okay, so I think we need this one.
Yes. It's you. It's you.
Anybody in there? What is it?
What is it?
Not yours.
It's putty.
Should we open it?
Yeah, open it up. What's it called?
Putty.
It's
Flirt.
Flirt putty.
Noise.
Uh-oh. What sound do you think that makes, Ava?
What's it doing?
It's shooting. That's one.
2 putty. That's all of them. We got all the doors open on our house.
Oh, wow.
That is so cool.
What's that?
Let's see the putty. What's that do? What sounds it make?
Wait.
Oh my gosh, is that funny?
Grace, she's more concerned about the M&Ms.
So that was the secret doorbell house with prizes. Did you like that?
Yeah.
Should we play that
Pretty
another
fun.
time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Ava, what do we have to tell them to make sure they do?
Where does they get it from? Click and subscribe below. See you next time.
Say bye.
Bye.
Gracie.